Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are making Domino's style cheesy and delicious pizza. So let's make it. In a big bowl, add some warm water, sugar and yeast. Now take a spatula and mix everything together. Cover the yeast mixture and let it rest for 10 minutes. You can see tiny bubbles in it. Mix together flour and salt. Keep mixing till the flour and the salt are mixed well. Now slowly add the flour into the yeast mixture. Now gradually add the flour and mix with a spatula. It will be stretchy, but we will knead the dough and make it smooth. Now sprinkle some flour on your working surface. And put the dough on it. Sprinkle some flour on the top and knead the dough. The dough should be smooth. Now use 1 teaspoon oil and grease the bowl. Now transfer the dough in the bowl. Apply very little oil on the top of the dough. Now cover the dough with a cling foil. If you don't have one, you can also use a cloth. The dough has doubled in size and now we have to puncture all the air inside the dough. We have to knead the dough again, so sprinkle some flour and put the dough on it. Our dough is well kneaded. Now flat the dough a bit. Use a rolling pin and roll the dough. Now transfer the pizza base on a baking tray. Now fold the edges of the pizza base for getting a thick edge. It should be like this. Now flat the dough a bit. Make sure that you don't press too hard because it may lead to very thin crust pizza. Now use a fork and poke some holes on the pizza base. Now apply some butter or oil on the pizza base. It's optional. Now it's time for decorating our pizza. So for that, apply some pizza sauce on the base. It's time for adding the vegetables. I am using capsicum, onion and olives. You can use any vegetable you have, or you can make a pizza without any vegetable. Now the fun part is here, adding the cheese. You can use any cheese you have. I am using mozzarella cheese. Our delicious pizza is out of the oven. Now add some oregano or seasoning on the pizza. Now your Domino style pizza is ready to go into your mouth.